The Smith & Wesson SWBG2TS Border Guard Liner Lock Folding Knife is 10 inches long and bridges the gap between folding and fixed blade knives. 7 CR17 high-carbon stainless steel is used to create the 4.40-inch partially serrated clip-point Tanto blade, ideal for any tactical or EDC cutting task. Open the blade with the ambidextrous thumb knobs. The handle, crafted from black aluminum with Track Tech inserts and finger cutouts, includes a strap cutter. This is the Smith & Wesson SWBG2TS, a quality tool designed for your most demanding needs.
This is the LMF2. When you're looking for a fixed blade knife, LMF2 is where it's at. Drop point blade, serrated edge, really thick, ergonomic to your hand, spike pommel. The LMF2 was originally designed to get aircrew out of a downed aircraft by cutting their way out or breaking their way out. Non-conductive handle, if you've got to cut wires, it's not going to electrocute you. Designed with 3 holes so that you can create a lashing and actually create a spear with it. Tell you what, this was coming at you, you're in trouble. It wouldn't be right to have a heavy-duty knife without a heavy-duty sheath. This sheath right here has MOLLE attachments for your vest, belt loop to put on your belt. Knife comes in and out both ways. Even comes with a sharpener. So if you're in the field, your knife gets dull, get it sharp, get right back on task. Made in America, right here in Portland, Oregon. This is the LMF2.
Ever notice that the best advice usually involves some sort of decisive action? Take on the world, seize the day, grab life by the horns. Maybe it's because the guys who say things worth listening to aren't the type to humbly accept whatever life hands them. Instead, they choose to craft reality with their own hands. There's a pride in doing that some folks don't or won't understand. But if you do, if you're one of those types who knows the satisfaction of solving your own problems and of being well prepared and well equipped, then you're one of us. And you're among good company. At CRKT, we work alongside the most innovative designers in the world, people who share our passion for purpose, to consistently deliver the tools and knives that shape the industry. We're proud to be an American company. We were born in Oregon, so naturally our products tend to take after the place we've called home for the past 20 years. At first glance, it's all jaw-dropping, eye-popping beauty. But get up close and you'll realize there's another side, the business side. The don't you ever underestimate me side. It's why guys who choose CRKT knives and tools can, frankly, be a little particular about them. They know that there's just something right about holding the perfect tool in your hands. And once you've felt that connection, it's hard to accept anything less.
CRKT. The M16 14 SFG designed by Kit Carson has a high-carbon stainless steel blade with a non-reflective black titanium nitride finish. The 3.875-inch dual-grind blade has a Tanto tip which is excellent for penetration and exclusive patented VEF serrations which offer exceptional cutting of fibrous materials. The G10 handles form an open-build frame which is easy to clean and built to sustain heavy use. It also has a stainless steel locking liner which, when used with our auto-lock safety, automatically turns the folder into a virtual fixed blade. The auto-lock safety mechanism features easy one-handed closing. For convenient carry, the knife has a 4-position clip. The Carson flipper enables a smooth, fast, one-handed deployment, and the dual hilt acts as a blade guard. The Special Forces G10 models have been specifically designed with features requested by military procurement specialists.